Hello cuties, today I'm gonna be showing you super easy hacks to make your old clothes look like new. I hope you like them, thanks for watching and let's get right into it. I also want to tell you that I added a couple of new items to my Poshmark account in case you want to check it out. For this DIY I'm gonna change the stripes of this top and I'm just going to cut them, and I'm gonna use the stripe to measure the length of the new stripe. New strap is gonna be like 3 times the length of the last one. So I'm going to cut 2 new long stripes and then I'm gonna cut those ones into 2. And I'm gonna sew it by hand in the 4 corners. You want to make sure that it's secure. And I'm gonna tie a bow and that's it. Super easy and super cute. This next DIY is even easier. What you have to do is to take a bunch of pom-poms. You can find these things in Michael's or Joann's and just glue them on with the E6000 glue as much as you want, and that's it. For this DIY I'm gonna change the pockets, so I'm gonna take a piece of fabric and I'm gonna make like the shape of the pocket with a little bit of paper, and as you can see I'm kind of drawing it, and then I'm gonna cut it. Now I'm gonna cut a piece of fabric with the shape of the pocket and then I'm gonna glue it on with the E6000 glue, and I'm going to repeat the same process on the front pocket. And this is a cool way of giving a different touch to your shorts. For this DIY I recommend you to do the drawing on the back of the fabric and to put the pins before you cut. So you just want to make the drawing and then cut the design, and that's gonna be it. This time I'm gonna take a pencil and I'm gonna start writing the word that I want. I'm gonna write love. Then I'm gonna move ahead and I'm gonna start applying the glue first to the trim, and then I'm going to position the trim on top of the letters. And it's just like writing, you just have to move the trim around and make sure that it makes sense like with the word that you wrote, and that's it. So these were all the hacks that I had to show you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked them and I will see you on the next time. Bye!